Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am out on this beautiful Tuesday morning. As you guys can see, it's nice and sunny. We finally got some spring weather here in Pennsylvania. I'm so excited because I'm ready to wear my flip-flops. It's flip-flop weather, guys. And those of you who know me know I love my flip-flops. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about a terrific deal on some Gain Laundry Detergent that we're going to get at Giant. So before we get into the deal, what I need you guys to do is give me a thumbs up. We want to make sure that this video goes all around YouTube so everyone can save. And if you have not already done so, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any videos. You'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. Because you know, at Nicole is making it happen, we like to spread the word. We want everyone to save because we want those dollars to stretch just a little bit longer. So guys, go ahead and get your inserts because you're going to need some Gain coupons. Get your phone to be able to take some screenshots. And let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so I'm in the store and I'm in the laundry aisle, and before we get into the deal and get started, please give this video a thumbs up. I want to make sure that this video goes all across YouTube so as many people as possible can do this deal, because you know, over here at Nicole is making it happen, we want to make sure that everyone's saving, and we want to make sure that we're stretching everyone's dollar just a little bit longer. Make sure you hit that subscription button because I want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the savings. And if you hit that bell next to the subscription button, then that means you'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. So guys, if you go out and do the deal, I need you to comment below. Let me know how it worked out for you. And if you've already done the deal, let me know how it worked out for you. Or just leave me a comment saying hi, love the deal. But I do need some feedback because I need to know what deals you guys like and what deals you want me to keep doing. So I don't want to belabor this video any longer. I want to go ahead and get right into the deal. So what the deal is when you purchase 3 of any of these participating items, you're going to get $15 off of your total bill. So see, save $15 when you buy 3 participating products. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the Gain. We're going to buy 3 of the Gains, which are $13.49. Now, what's nice about this is these are regularly $14.99, but this week they're on sale for $13.49, which we are going to save $1.50 right off the bat, right? We love any type of savings we can get. But I want you guys to keep in mind that this deal is only good through the 29th. So you only have a few days to go out and do this deal. It's good through April 29th. I just discovered this deal because I've been so busy working on my other projects and getting my conference done, but that's done, and now I can focus on helping everyone save again. So we're going to grab these, and when you're saving $15 and you buy 3, guys, that's like actually getting 1 for free, right? But we're going to throw in these $3 off coupons, and we have 3 of them. So that's a total of $9 that we're saving right there. And when you add the $9 onto the $15, that's like almost getting 2 of these for free. So let me grab 3 of these, put in the cart. Oh God, these things are heavy. I haven't purchased any of these big things in a while. I'm weak. I need to go to the gym. So it looks like I'm getting the last 3. So looks like a lot of people must have been doing this deal. So we have 3 of these, and we're going to use 3 of our $3 coupons. We're going to head up to the register and show you exactly how this deal comes out.
Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light. Touch the continue button if finished. Please wait. Help is on the way.
Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. So I just want to review the receipt with you. So here are the gains. You see they were regularly $14.99, but because I used my Giant card, I got another $1.50 off. So that took them down to $13.49. And as you can see, I got the $15 off discount for buying 3. And then there's my $3 coupons that I use. So there was 99-cent tax. Ugh, I hate that tax. Oh, so if we did not have tax, you see, I would have paid $16 and some change. But tax is going to vary from state to state, city to city, municipality to municipality, and township to township. So we all know about that ugly word called tax. But just to get 3 of these huge jugs for $16 and some is excellent. I mean, I'm even happy we're still paying the tax with $17.46. So guys, go out, do this deal. Remember, you have until April 29th to get this deal done. Let me know if you do it. Come back and comment, and I want to see how many people actually get this deal done. So till the next time, keep on saving.